Right, welcome back, folks. This is a air pump off a well, it's a compressor, Toyota Prado 120 series, GR120. She wasn't working on the car. She's a bit gummed up, but intake valve stuck open or not fully shutting, so she wasn't making much air and just running continuously. Had a code C1751, continuous current to this motor. So it must have been just running continuously. Hopefully no leaks on the vehicle. We need to sort of reinstall this, do a reset, let it do its thing, and then see if we can check the rest of the system. But yeah, at least this is all working now. Just give me 2 seconds. This is all working, running, good suction. Didn't have a lot of suction before. Should make good pressure. 27 and a bit amps. Anyway, there you go, Ben. There you go, Ben. She's all working, mate. Thanks for watching.